Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading for the month of October. Keep in mind that these readings are general. This may be resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, that's amazing. And if it not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Let's get started. What are the Taurus person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Taurus? What are the Taurus person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Taurus? What are the Taurus person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Taurus? And we are having here Knight of Cups, Ten of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and the Lovers. What are the Taurus person's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Taurus feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Taurus feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? Sun, escape from death. Three of Swords, escape from death. And Justice, Five of Pentacles. What are the mutual energies? King of Pentacles, Three of Wands. These are your cards, Taurus, and sign that could relate it to your person. Gemini with this Lover's card. Taurus will go Capricorn with the Six of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, Five of Pentacles. Libra with this Justice. Leo with this Sun card. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius with this Three of Swords. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, Three of Wands. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with this Ten of Cups and Knight of Cups. Let's talk about your person's feeling, Taurus, and your person is really flirtatious towards you and really romantic. You are beneficial for them. They love to take from you. They just this person take from you a lot, and they want to give you. They're ready to spend their money. They are generous towards you. They want to spend their money on you, and they are using their best pickup lines. They're trying to impress you. They are really they're trying to be more polite and hilarious and nice with you. Romantic feelings in them for you, and they're ready to spend their money because they know that a little investment can give them a lot of benefit and return. So they are ready to invest their time, their resources, their money, their energy, their their the words, their emotions. And because the reason they know that you are the perfect potential partner for them. You are a marriage material, you are boyfriend material, girlfriend material, and they really like the idea of you, and they think you are the blessed connection for them, you are the blessing for them, and they just want you to choose me over everything. And they feel this connection towards you, the blessed one, the marriage kind of, the legal paper kind of thing. They think we meant to be, we are totally fit together, and they think you are the perfect potential partner for them, and they're ready to spend their money on you, and they're really flirtatious towards you, and you are really happy. you know these two cards indicating when you are heartbroken and suffering from when someone left you. But this card escape from that deck. It's mean you are happy, bright. These are just temporary feelings. It's gonna fade away. You do have this heartbreak situation. This card also escape from that. These two card back to back. You are happy, but somewhere you are heartbroken. But Sun is a major arcana card. You will get over this Three of Sword, this painful situation. You are demanding justice. From overall, you are totally fine. You are happy on your own. You are successful actually. But somebody really loved to, very beloved, not the part of your success. Maybe not enjoying your success the way you enjoying your success, and you are demanding justice. You're demanding your right appreciation from destiny and from the relevant people. You are demanding your appreciation and your right place. You are a bit heartbroken. You are definitely super talented, successful, and dedicated person, and you are demanding justice from all of them, and your right place from this person. You are heartbroken, and this person give you this phase when you feel alone. You left alone in coldness. This person is just, or maybe somewhere they're holding you back, but you are demanding justice and you are really straightforward here now. You know what you deserve. I mean, when a person know what I deserve, they definitely get that. This is a really amazing realization, and you know that what you deserve, and you are demanding what you actually truly made for. And these are just temporary feelings. You will get over these feelings when people affect you. Destiny bright, but somehow people stupidity, their the negative actions affect you. So that's why you are heartbroken and feel alone and holding back kind of situation for you. And with this king of pentacles, this person know that you are totally stable on your ground. You don't need any kind of support from anybody. Your emotions, your pentacles, your ground is very strong. You don't need their money and all that, but they want to invest. And you are looking forward towards future, analyzing your future, planning and making some kind of plans, analyzing your life and analyzing this person, and just making some kind of strategies and plans about your life. And but a bit distance here, just trying to figure it out. Let's see what else we have for you, Taurus. What else we have for Taurus, and what's the outcome for Taurus? And we are having here Seven of Sword, Four of Wands, Eight of Sword. This person is maybe you are not trusting this person. Some kind of sneaky things. Maybe this person try to surprise you, or maybe this person is a liar. They're just faking it. But how? Taurus, something is wrong with this person's intentions. This person not that legit or clear, maybe behind all this scene something else as well. Or if we take it positive, it's mean maybe they're trying to surprise you and they're just sneaking behind your back. Maybe they manipulate you in order to get what they want. These are the few possibilities and reasons, and you are happy. As I told you, these things are temporary. There is a party, there is a celebration, some kind of happiness at your place. You are happy in upcoming days, a event, a party, a gathering. It will make you really happy. Some kind of overthinking about this person, and this person is maybe overthinking about you. Maybe they find out something about you and they are doubting you. Maybe this person is doing something sneaky. These are the feelings they have for you, and they are really stuck in a specific point and stuck in their own brain. Anxieties in this person's, overthinking in this person. They are thinking too much about you and all of this scenario. Maybe sometime when they find out your this breakup situation, and they just not trusting this idea of you and me, and they're overthinking about something. A lot of possibilities, but most likely it's about when someone is some trust issues and overthinking. Let's see what else we have for you and what should you do about this situation, Taurus. What else we have for you and what should you do? We are having here Three of Cups, High Priestess, Four of Wands. Third party situation, and you know your value, your worth, you are intuitive, and you are not opening up. You know what you want and what is happening. What should you do? What's your plan? What the necessary thing? You know all of it, but it's not necessary you share your plans with people. They sometimes we just let them know about the result. So you are not the one who share your plans. You show them your success. So you are connected to your intuitions and you're trusting your gut and your first instincts. So overall, you know your value now, and that's why there is celebration at your place and some kind of friends. Mostly, you spending most of the time with your friends and family, and this person maybe think you are interested in some of your friends or maybe someone that in your family, and you are not, maybe third party situation for them, but you are happy and celebrating and enjoying with your friends and family. Once a person decide what they want and what's the plan, and they focus on their decisions and stable on their decisions, they become more valuable and worthy in their own eyes and overall in society as well. And you are like that. You know what you want and what you are doing right now. You are well aware of your actions and you know that what's the consequences, and you really dedicated and determined to get your desired results and consequences. Let's see what else we have for you. What do you desire right now? Visualize it and it will come about. Negativity will block your progress. Don't be negative. Whatever you desire, as I told you already, your decisions, you know what you want, and you want your desired results. Just visualize it. Already imagine, already visualize that it's gonna be happen. Let's see what advice messages I should have for you. Face your fears, heal, enjoy this time, cure your heart. These are few advice messages in the end. Somebody of your reading is this person is flirtatious towards you and they're ready to spend their money because they think you are the blessed, perfect potential partner for them. And something is they are not trusting something and overthinking about something. Maybe your heartbroken situation and you're suffering. Maybe this give them the idea you are maybe manipulating them, but you're happy. You're successful. You know what you want. And what should you do about all of this? And you're happy at your place and enjoying with your friends. Everything is gonna be fine and you will get what you want, the desired results. These are the summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.